Everyone, this is Nigar Fatima. I am a final year BSc student at SSR Degree College. Now I am going to explain about cloud computing. Cloud computing is nothing but accessing resources over the internet. Examples of cloud computing are Google Photos and Google Drive. Now you can see the basic definition of the cloud computing. Cloud computing refers to storing and accessing data and programs over the internet instead of another type of hard drive. Examples of cloud services include iCloud, Google Cloud, and Dropbox. The cloud computing is divided into two types, development model and service model. The development model is again subdivided into three types, public, private, hybrid. Now we are going to use public model. Service model also subdivided into three types, SWAS, PWAS, IWAS, which stands for software as a service, platform as a service, infrastructure as a service. Now we are going to use software as a service model. Now we are going to use GitHub website for our project. For that, first we have to open Chrome and sign in to the github.com website. Here you have to choose the sign up for GitHub option. Click on continue with Google. Click any of our running account to proceed. By agreeing all the terms and conditions, we have to sign into the website. Now you can see a page of sign up for GitHub and the email which we had given previously. Username is already generated. Now you have to select India and click on create account. Now you can see a page of dashboard and below you can see create your first project. In that create repository, you have to click on create repository. You have to write repository name as a mini project 1-AI chatbot. Now you have to scroll down. Click on create repository. You can see a page like this. Here you can see quick setup. In that click on create a new file. Click on creating a new file. In the place of name your file, you have to write index.html in main. Make sure you should be in main only. In below you can see enter file content here. You have to paste the code here. Now you can see commit changes. Click on commit changes. You can see a chat box like this. In that you have to write index.html and click on commit changes. Now you can see a page in which code, issues, pull requests and more options are available. By clicking on more, you can see a pop like this, in which you have to select settings options. After clicking on settings, you can see code and automation option here. In that you should click on pages. Now you can see a page like this. In that build and deployment, in that make sure you have a tick in front of deploy from a bench. And also you can see none option and save option also here. By clicking on none and click on main and save the process. After saving the process, you can see GitHub pages sources saved. You can see a pop of GitHub pages sources saved. You can see GitHub pages. In that your site is live at the link is mentioned here. Now you have to click on that link. The output should be appear like my website. Below you can see a Bitmoji of mine. In that my name also mentioned. By clicking on it you can get the output. Hope this video is useful for your information. Thank you.